We are here at the Cook Family Adoption Center, Southwest Missouri Humane Society. We're here in Springfield going to pick up a cat. If you are in Springfield and are in the area, you can stop by and get a cat or a dog. We're going to go in here. I've already got an appointment set up to meet with a certain cat, Ladybug. She's been here for about a year or so. She's in the foster care now, but I talked to them yesterday. They brought the cat up here so I can meet her, and I'm very excited. I can't wait. It's going to be really cool. And then we're going to take the cat home, and hopefully she loves me, and hopefully loves my house. It's going to be a great time. So let's go in and get this cat.
Hey, kitty.
Got her at her napping time.
You got him in there?
Yeah, absolutely.
What are you doing, kitty?
And she's probably one of the sweetest things. She will never bite, scratch, anything.
You want to go home with me today? Oh, yeah. Can I pick her up?
She's not one to be picked up.
Okay.
We've tried a few times and it's just not something that she's too interested in. She does try to get away.
Okay. Yeah, kitty. Yeah, she's a sweet little kitty. And she's been here for a year.
Yeah.
We're going to take her home today.
Oh my god! Yay! So like FIV, her sense of stomach, like all that
Yeah, I'm not too worried about any of that. Yeah.
Oh my
I'm excited.
gosh!
Yeah.
Sorry, this is like...
No, I understand. She's been here for so long. She's like, yo, I'm ready for a home too. And I'm ready for a little kid to come home with me, so I'm going to take the little Ladybug home. Don't get too emotional.
Yeah, oh my god. I fostered her for nearly 2 months. I've watched her go from that side to out front to just everywhere, and no one was interested. Everyone's like, oh look, a pretty black cat.
Right.
No one would take her home. And then my coworker was like, hey, we have a guy interested, and we talked, and I was like,
Oh, yeah.
this has to
Going
happen.
down.
Like, this
Yeah.
is the perfect home for her. I turned down some people because I wasn't right home. And then, by the grace of God, you called, and I was like, this is her home.
Yeah. And I didn't want to call
we
unless
have
I
to
knew
go.
I had some time. I was like,
Yeah.
I don't want to be busy for a day and leave her at my house.
Yeah.
I want to be there all day hanging out.
Yes.
Say, yo, this is me, this is my house.
Oh,
Here's
yeah.
some food, here's a kitty litter box.
Right.
Let's hang out.
Oh, yeah.
I guess you can tell me what kind of food and all that she'll need.
Yes, we will give you a starter pack
Mm-hmm.
to take her home with, and then from there you can get her food either from the store or your vet, whatever works best for you.
Cool.
Just that way she has something to start off with.
Right.
So.
Awesome.
Yay.
All right, well, I don't know what we need to do from here, but
Yeah, have
she's
you
like,
filled
I
out?
don't care.
Yeah. Have you filled out an adoption application yet?
Not yet, no.
Okay. We'll have you fill that out. We'll go over it, and then we'll get started on the paperwork.
Awesome.
Yay!
Cool.
All right. Get to go home. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Yay! Okay.
Is she in there?
Yes.
Oh.
And she's probably one of the most quietest riders ever. She might meow a little, but she's super mellow in the car. I've been working on it. Oh.
Can't take that one. Bye, guys.
I'll give you a seat.
We just got home with a little kitty cat. It's in the back seat there, waiting to be taken in. We're gonna take it in, see if it likes being home.
kitty. He's like, oh my god, look at me. Alright, well, guess we're just gonna let the cat run around. Get used to its new home. And yeah, guess I'll film a little bit later whenever the cat's more used to the house. See what's going on. It's exploring, as you can see. It's like, where am I at? What is this weird house? So.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We're finally getting all settled in. She's making her rounds, eating her food, using her litter box and all that good stuff. So we're gonna hang out for the night and see what happens, and yeah, go from there. Thank you guys again for watching the video, and also thank you to the people at Southwest Humane Society for helping me out. Taylor, you rock. Thank you so much. If you guys want to go get one of your own animals down at the Southwest Humane Society, I'm leaving a link for them in the description below. You can look it up on the website, see how you're supposed to do everything, and go down there and take a look at all the kitties and the doggies. They are a no-kill shelter, so all the animals that go in there also stay alive. So they're doing awesome things down there, taking really good care of these animals down there, and you guys need to go down there and look for yourself, okay? Thanks again for watching the video, guys, and have a good night. Hey, baby. Come up here. Come on. Uh-oh. I finished filming and you're like, okay, I'm gonna come hang out now. Yeah.